This 3D Motive video course on mastering UV mapping in Blender. My name is Alan Thorn and I'll be your instructor as we explore both the fundamentals of UV mapping and more advanced tips and tricks for getting the best results when mapping objects. In simple terms, UV mapping is about making your objects look realistic. It's about putting textures on objects to make them look like they're made from real-world materials like wood, marble, stone, and more. The unwrapping process is simply about taking a flat texture and wrapping it around the surface of a 3D object with minimal distortion. In this course, we'll see how to achieve this using Blender, and we'll also see interesting tips along the way to speed up your workflow and to give you the results you need quickly and easily. Now, there's a lot to get through in this course, so let's get started.